Hey all, here OS Reviews. This is going to be kind of a special video. We are unboxing our very own silver play button from YouTube. So we have surpassed 100k subscribers actually a little while back, but finally we got our hands on this long-awaited play button, which wouldn't be possible without everyone's support, everybody that's watched our videos and stayed with us over the years as we've built this community and shared our love of tech together. It's a crazy number and honestly something I never thought we would hit since starting this journey about 9 years ago, so time really does fly. And regardless of if you're new here or you've been with us since the beginning, I just want to thank everyone again for your support as we continue to look to the next chapter and bring out more cool videos on interesting tech products. But anyways, here is this box from YouTube. I know there's probably a million of these unboxings by now, but as something that is definitely a milestone to us, I still wanted to briefly share what it's like. We have on the inside a foam padding, and then there is a letter, so we can just quickly read this out loud. Just how far have you come? If each of your subscribers were a light year, they would take you from one side of the Milky Way to the other. That's far, and that's why today we're so excited to celebrate your special YouTube journey with you. Not only have you brought a unique voice and style to the world, you've also created valuable connections and built a community along the way. In that spirit, YouTube is proud to present you with the Silver Creator Award, which celebrates your hard work and incredible achievement. Congratulations on this amazing milestone, just one of many that we hope will follow in the future. After all, there are countless others out there who have yet to discover your passion and dedication, whether they come to your channel to learn something new or just for a laugh. A whole new audience is waiting for you to inspire them, just as your growing community continues to inspire you. That is very true. And we can't wait to see what you'll do next, and we'll be with you every step of the way, YouTube. So that is a very thoughtful gesture. Again, thank you, YouTube, for that. But more importantly, I would say this is really a letter for all of us, since without everyone's support, this really wouldn't be possible. But anyways, super exciting to actually see one of these in person, and it actually comes in a envelope, which we can remove. And underneath here, it also has another, looks like sticker that says recognize your team. So it looks like there are kind of the ability to also purchase and further customize the awards if you want to pick them up for other members of a larger team behind running a channel, for example. And it also looks like there's a card that says that this award has been inspected and packaged by Rick. Thank you, Rick. So it looks like the company behind this is called Society Awards, and those are the folks that make this, along with other trophies for other events. Has this aluminum coating on the front. It's definitely not real silver, but it is made out of metal, so it feels quite cold and reassuring to the touch, heavier than I would expect. And there's also this really nice mirrored surface on the top with the famous YouTube logo and the play symbol, super reflective. And then down below here, it just says, presented to us, OS Reviews, for passing 100k subscribers and YouTube. Now, it isn't completely one piece of metal, so the seams on the edges are actually kind of combined together to make it, but otherwise on the very back here, it also is constructed out of this felt-like soft touch material that you can also use to stand upright onto a wall, preventing it from getting damaged, and you can also hang it up kind of like a photo frame of sorts. So there we have it, our unboxing, and just more importantly, a thank you to everyone that's watched our videos, that's been with us on this journey, and we continue to explore and look ahead to showing even more interesting tech and awesome gadgets in more videos to come. Cheers everyone, and we'll see each other in the next video.